Hello students. Yeah, this is Digvijay Singh, and today we are going to do new live session, and that is on the SAT math, and we'll learn about the circle in today's class. Okay. Before starting the session, let's do some introduction. So I'm Digvijay Singh. I'm SAT plus educator. I have the 10 plus year of experience, right? I am plus verified educator. Also, I am US certified for these exams like SAT, GRE, GMAT, for ACT, and yeah, for AP calculus as well. Okay, so you guys can join us on the Telegram. So this is the Telegram link there. So you can join us so that you can get the timely update regarding the new batches, new courses, right? And you can also get the updates regarding the if there is any update from the college board. So you can also get that from our Telegram channel. So these are the Unacademy subscription features. So if you are taking the plus subscription from the Unacademy, you will get all these features, right guys? So this is like learn live from the comfortable of your home, right? And you'll get the unlimited access to the all courses, and these are the things like you'll get, okay, if you're taking the plus subscription of the SAT, okay, as well as ACT. So now let's move to the content. So as you know, the today's topic is about the circle. So okay, so let me tell you guys what is a circle first of all, right? So what is a circle? Everybody knows what is a circle. Okay, so circle is like when you have the center, suppose O, and if you make the like this is you say this is a distance, and if you make the same distance like this, or you make the like points on the same distance, and if you connect that point, so that will be a circle. Okay, this is little okay, so this is a circle. So in the circle the important things are radius, right? Radius is r. Then you must know about the diameter. So diameter is double of the radius, that is 2 times r, right? And okay, now what is a circumference? If I talk about what is a circumference, so circumference is actually, you can say, the perimeter of a circle. We'll do lots of questions now after this. I'm just giving the little bit the conceptual introduction. So this is a circumference. So circumference is what? 2 pi r, that we also call the perimeter. And then area is what? All the this area. So area is what? Pi r square, right guys? Okay, and then if now the important thing that comes in SAT and ACT generally is what? Is finding the arc and sector. Okay, so what is an arc? Arc is actually, okay, if I make a circle again here, it can be a little tricky. Okay, so I'm just making it, let's suppose this, right? And just changing the color of this. Okay, so suppose you need to find this distance, suppose A to B only, right? So this distance is actually arc. We call that arc, right? Arc, if you see arc, as arc is a what? Part of what? Arc is a part of circumference. So arc divided by circumference is equal to, so for the arc we need this central angle theta, right, is equal to theta divided by 360, right? So the thing is, arc and circumference has the same ratio as the theta and 360 degree, correct guys? So that means arc is equal to theta divided by 360 multiplied by the circumference. Circumference is 2 pi r. So the arc is theta divided by 360 into 2 pi r, correct? Where the theta is in degree. Okay, so what I told you, arc and circumference has the same ratio, or you can say the same, the compare as the theta, that is central angle, divided by 360. So arc is equal to theta divided by 360 multiplied by 2 pi r, right guys? So this is what arc. Okay, now if I talk about the sector is what? Okay, suppose I make a again a circle there, okay, and this we need to we need to find the sector, right? Okay, so sector is a part of what? Area of circle. So sector divided by area of circle is equal to theta divided by 360. Theta again is the central angle, this angle, we call that theta, right guys? Good evening, Gurmandeep Singh. Okay, let me quickly check my chats. Okay. Okay guys, so sector and the area of circle is the same as theta divided by 360, right guys? So sector is equal to theta divided by 360 multiplied by pi r square, right guys? That is area of the circle. Again theta is in radian there, sorry, degree. Okay, so you know about the sector and the arc. Okay, now let's do some questions guys. Okay, what about this question guys? Can you try to solve this? If anyone can do, can you quickly check it? Okay, take 30 seconds to solve this guys. Okay, so this is a very interesting guys question there. So we have given the radius as 5, so you can say the radius, this radius, or this is 5, or this is 5, right? This is as well 5. Okay, line y is equal to x intersect at the circle at A. What is the arc length of AB? Okay, what do you need to find? You need to find the arc length, this arc length. Okay, so for this arc length, what do we need? We need the what? Arc length, we need the circumference. Circumference is easy, that is 2 pi here. We already know the radius is 5, so that becomes 10 pi. Right, guys? Then, what do we need? We need the central angle, this theta. Okay, do we have given the central angle there? No, directly they haven't given, right? But what we know there, we know this is a line of y is equal to x, right? If this is a line of y is equal to x, right, guys? So definitely this line passes through what? Center, and it makes what? An angle of 45 degree, right? Correct? So that means we can find central angle is equal to 45 degree, right? So what will be the arc AB? Arc AB is equal to theta, that is 45 by 360 multiplied by the circumference, that is 10 pi. So this, how many times it will cancel out? 8 times. So this is going to be 10 pi divided by 8. So that is 5 pi divided by 4, guys. Please check this quickly. If you doubt, ask me quickly. Okay, guys. Now this question. Okay, here you need to do a little bit, correction. So we need to find the length of minor arc of not BC, this is AC. So how do we get there? What is given to us? The radius of a given circle is 10. We are given the radius as 10. Correct, guys? If the ABC, angle ABC, that means this angle is half of ADC. Okay, so you can say, if suppose this is x, this is 2x. Correct? Find the minor arc AC. If you need to find the minor arc AC, definitely you need the central angle. Central angle is what? Angle ADC. But about the angle ADC, you just know that is double of the angle ABC. Correct? Nothing else. So how do we come to know that what is the value of 2x there? Any clue, guys? Any hint? Any trick? So for this question, actually the trick is what? Because we know these two lines actually are the tangent. Okay, this should be written as BC, AB and BC are the tangent. Correct, guys? So if these two lines are tangent to the circle, so definitely we know this is 90 degree and this is 90 degree, right? And then we can say ABCD is the quadrilateral, right? If ABCD is a quadrilateral, then what we can say, x plus 90 plus 2x plus 90 is equal to what? 180 degree, because sum of the quadrilateral, sum of the interior angle of the quadrilateral is, sorry, my bad, it should be 360, not 180. Oh, okay. Sorry, okay, so we are finding that the angle, this is x, this is 2x, and this is 90 degree, and this is 90 degree, right? So we know that A, B, C, D, these angle, the sum should be what? 360 degree, right guys? So x plus 90, x plus 2x plus 90 plus 90 is equal to 360 degree, correct? And then you can say 3x plus 180 is equal to 360 degree. That means 3x is equal to 180 degree and x is equal to 60 degree. So if you know x is equal to 60 degree, that means this angle, the central angle that we need to know, is equal to 120 degree. Correct guys? So now what will be the length of the arc AC? This is A. So AC arc, what will be that? What I told you, theta divided by 360 multiplied by 2 pi r. Correct guys? So theta we know that is, theta is 2x, that is 120 degree. So 120 divided by 360 into 2 into pi into 10, radius is 10. So this is going to be 1 by 3 multiplied by 20 pi. So this is 20 pi by 3 is the answer. Right guys, it was a very good question actually. Okay, can you please try to solve this question? Okay, so let's see this now. What is given to us? Area of sector OAB, or area of this sector is 1/6 of the area of circle. Okay, and the chord AB is equal to 10. Then find the area of the triangle OAB. Okay, very good. So write down the key information there, guys. So what we know there, area of the sector is 1/6 of the area of circle, right? So what we know there, area of sector is divided by what, area of circle is equal to 1 by 6, right guys? And then do we know other information there? Okay, so what we know there, we know according to the this concept. So the concept is, oh, yeah, sector over area of circle is equal to theta divided by 360, and according to the question that is 1 by 6, right guys? If that is 1 by 6, so that means theta, the central angle should be what, 360 divided by 6 is equal to 60 degree. That means this angle is 60 degree, right guys? And now what we know, because AO, this is radius, right? So that means this should be isosceles triangle. So what, the sum of these two angles left as 120, and if they both are same, so that means this is 60 and this is 60 as well, right guys? Okay, now what we know there, now we know this is 60, this is 60 and this is 60. See all three angles of the 60, right? So that means this is an equilateral triangle. So what we know there, AOB is an equilateral triangle. If AOB is an equilateral triangle guys, so definitely what you can say, this the side of the triangle, that means AB is equal to 10. So what is the area of this triangle? So area of the equilateral triangle, you should know the formula, that is under root of 3 by 4 a square, and a square is what? 10 square. So that means under root 3 by 4 into 100, that is going to be 25 root 3. Right guys, so what we did in this question, we find that because area of the sector divided by area of the circle was 1 by 6 according to the question, so we find the central angle, that is 60 degree. And if this is 60 degree, so definitely this is what? A radius and radius. This is an isosceles, that means this angle should be equal to this angle. So that means these two angles should also be 60 and 60. And then if this is an equilateral triangle, then area of the triangle will be what? Under root of 3 by 4 into side square. Side square is 10 square, that is 100, that becomes 25 root 3. Right guys, hope there is no doubt. Okay, can you try this one guys? Let's say 30 seconds. Okay, so what we have given there, we have given A, B, C are the centers of three circles, each with the radius of 6. Okay, find the length of AB, that means arc AB, arc BC and arc CA, right? What do we need to find? We need to find the length of these arcs, right guys? So how do we find that? How do we find that guys? Okay, so first of all, what you need to think, is there any key information given to us? Yes, we have given the radius is there. So if you connect, because A and B are the center, so that means this, you know, this and this, right guys? So if these are the radius with 6, 6 and 6, correct? That means this is an equilateral triangle ABC. That means ABC is an equilateral triangle. If ABC is an equilateral triangle guys, right, so that means each angle is of 60 degree. Okay, if each angle of 60 degree, right, that means arc AB, or you can say center, triangle with center C, right, arc AB divided by circumference of the circle is equal to 60 divided by 360, right guys? So what we know there, AB is equal to 1 by 6 multiplied by the circumference of the circle, that is 2 pi r, right? And 2 pi r is what? Radius is 6. So this is going to be 2 pi. That means arc AB is equal to 2 pi, right guys? So arc BC and arc CA will be the same, right? Because this angle is 60 degree also, this angle is 60 degree, right? So that means arc AB plus arc BC plus arc CA, all three are 2 pi 2 pi 2 pi. So that is going to be 6 pi as the answer. Okay, next is equation of the circle. So equation of the circle is right. So suppose this is a circle, okay, and this is the center of the circle that is at the point H and K, right? And then this is the radius R. Okay, so the equation of the circle will be what? X minus h square plus y minus k square is equal to R square, right? So in any case, if the center is at 0 and 0, right, and the radius is, it can be anything, then equation of the circle will be x square plus y square is equal to R square, right? So if they are given any of the circle equation in this form, suppose x square plus 8x plus y square plus 6y is equal to 0, right guys? What do you need to find? You need to find what is the radius as well as the the center of this. Okay, so how to find that? So first of all, you need to convert this into this form, right? So what will be that? That means you need to make it the completing the square, right? So completing the square means, suppose this is 8x, so half of 8 is what? 4 square. So you need to add 4 square both sides to make the completing the square. Like 6y, that means half of 6 is what? 3 square. So you need to add 3 square both sides, guys. Now if you see the first three term here, so this is going to be x plus 4 square, and this is going to be what? Y plus 3 square, and that is going to be 4 square plus 3 square. That means 16 plus 9, that is equal to 25, right guys? And that is 5 square. Now if we compare this equation with the equation of the circle, so that means negative of h is equal to 4 and negative of k is equal to 3. That means h is equal to negative 4 as well as k is equal to negative 3, right guys? And when you see this radius is equal to 5 square. That means radius is equal to 5. Correct guys? So what we come to know? We come to know the center is at negative 4, negative 3 and radius is equal to 5. Correct? So what you did there, you just convert this equation into this form, right? And when you convert this equation into that form, right, you need to complete in the square, right? So when you complete the square, you get x plus 4 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square is equal to 5 square, right guys? And that gives you the radius as 5 and the center as negative 4 and negative 3. Right guys? Any doubt in this question? Please let me know if you have any doubt. Okay, this question, can you try to solve this question? Then I'll tell you the trick. Try to solve in this. Try to solve in 30 seconds. You can. Anyone? Okay, let me tell you guys. So here, if you see the equation there, so definitely we know the center is at 0, 0. Okay, and the radius is what, 6. So definitely you can say this, the circle will be like this. So this is going to be 6, 6, 6, 6. So the one way to solve this question is just you try to plug in every point there and think like, okay, which one will be inside and which one will be outside. Another good way is, so when you plug in these points as x and y, right? So if the x square plus y square value that comes greater than 36, greater than the radius square, that means that point is outside. Okay, if x square plus y square value comes as 36, that means that point is on the circle. Okay guys, and if x square plus y square, if x square plus y square is less than 36 guys, that means that point is inside the circle. Correct? So now you see this point, so you find the x square and y square for these points. So what is this? 4 plus 9, that is going to be 13, that is less than 36, that means this point is inside. Same, you find the negative of 3 square and 2 square, that is going to be 9, and this is what, 9 plus again 4, that is equal to 13, that is again inside. So you can just eliminate side by side. And then the third one, the C part is 9, that is negative 3 square is 9, and then 9, so this is going to be 18, right? 18 is again less than 36, so that point is also be inside. So definitely that D should be outside, but you can check that guys. So negative 5 square is what, 25, and 4 square is what, 16. So 25 plus 16, what is that, 41, and that is greater than what, 36. So that means this point is outside, right? So understand the concept. So if x square plus y square is greater than the radius square, that means the point is outside. If x square plus y square is equal to the radius square, that means the point is on the circle. If x square plus y square is less than 36, that means the point is inside the circle. Okay, Ananda gave the answer C. Okay, that's not correct. So you understood how this is D. Hope you understood. Is there any doubt, guys? Is there any doubt, guys, in this question? Please let me know. Cool. Okay. Okay, can you try this one, guys? I give you, let's say, 1 minute. Okay, anybody tried this? Okay, now so what we know there, AB is equal to 4. Okay, that is called find the equation of the circle. That's it. That's the only information we have given, guys. So if you know that, now if you know from this O, this is perpendicular, right? So definitely this is going to be 2. Okay, now you know this is 60 degree, this is what, 90 degree. Okay, and this is going to be 30 degree. Okay, so if I say the concept of the 30, 60, 90 in the triangle, right? So this is 90, this is 30. So if the opposite of 30 is 2, then opposite of 90 is what? What is the opposite of 90? 4. Right, guys? And then what do you see? This is 4, so this will be what? Opposite of 60. Opposite of 60 will be what? Opposite of 60 will be what? 2 root 3. I think there is something, you know, I think this should be 8 because the entire equation is just, you know, yeah, it should be 8 and it should be 4. Yeah, it should be 8. Okay, then it will be 8 and this is 4 root 3. Right, guys? So, and this is 4. So what is this point? This point is 4 and 4 root 3. Right? That means O is 4 and 4 root 3. Correct? So what will be the, so x minus 4 square plus y minus 4 root 3 square, and the radius is definitely 8. So that is 8 square. So this is going to be x minus 4 square plus y minus 4 root 3 square is equal to 64. And that's the answer. Okay, guys, try to solve this. Okay, anyone try to solve this? So what we given, the equation of the circle is x minus 5 square plus y square is equal to 36. Okay, and what do we need to find? We need to find where the circle intersect the x-axis. Okay, so do we need to make the circle there, or do we need to make the rough circle like that? No, because if the question is asking where does it intersect the x-axis, that means definitely wherever it will intersect the x-axis, the y coordinate should be what? 0 at that point, correct? So what you just need to do, you need to make the y coordinate as 0. So that is going to be x minus 5 square plus 0 square is, and that is equal to, and that is equal to, guys, 36, correct? So that means x minus 5 square is equal to 36. So now x minus 5 is square, or if you take the square, so that will be plus minus 6. If you take the plus, so that is going to be x minus 5 is equal to plus 6. So that means x is equal to 11. And if you take the, you know, negative, so that is going to be negative 6, and x is equal to negative 1, right, guys? So the, you know, the we have find the intercepts, you can say the or you can say the points where the this intersects. So that is going to be -1 0 and 11 and 0. So that is C. Hope there is no doubt. Okay guys, so now, so like Unacademy is giving you right now some offers on the SAT. So this offer is till 31st of March, and this is going to be come 31st of March. So the offer is like you will get the IELTS subscription with the 6 month if with the 6 month of SAT subscription. So if you take the 6 month of SAT plus subscription, definitely you'll get the IELTS subscription, but that is only for first 100 subscriber. So please check if I had doubt, maybe we had just, but please check if you are getting or not the IELTS one, right? And this one is also a great offer. This is like if you are taking the 6 month subscription, that is cost you around 18,000, but right now Unacademy is giving you the discount of almost 60%, right? And that will cost you 7,200, right guys? So this is a very good discount, and in this discount definitely you'll get the structured courses, 20 plus full length mock test, and 300 up plus hours recorded content, and the live doubt solving classes as well. And after that, definitely if you apply my code, there is that is Digvijay. Let me write down there. Digvijay dot Singh 1, right? So you'll get the 10% more discount. So it will cost you around like 65 and something like that. Okay. So yeah, so now Unacademy free special class features also there. So real time interaction using the chat and emojis, and you can ask questions using the question tab there while the class. And you can do the live poll option. I mean, there will be live poll option, so teacher can ask you any of the question. So you have the live poll there, so you can definitely click on your answer there. And then there you have the poll leaderboard as well, so you can compete with your friends. As suppose you are 2-3 friends, and the total number of student in the class is like 10, 15, 20, whatever. So you can check where are you ranking out of those students. So there's a bugs bounty as well. So what you can do, you can if you feel like in the class there is any inappropriate content in the video or in the class, right? So you can just report that the inappropriate content, right? So be the first one to report an particular issue to claim your prize. Report any inappropriate content using the form in the description. Okay, so thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe us. Okay, and just click on that the bell. Okay, and yeah, so please like and share as much as possible. Okay, bye.